Okay, so check it out, $57 here earned at the top of my ClickFunnels screen. This is my second week on ClickFunnels. I logged in earlier this week and saw I'd made my first $19 sale after making some changes to my funnel. Now at the end of the week, I've made $57 in total, so that's 3 sales, on average a sale every day. And I'm just super happy and excited about the potential that lies ahead of me now with ClickFunnels. So at the end of last week in the video I made, I showed that I've made no sales so far after 7 days using my sales funnel through ClickFunnels. And now 13 days in, I've turned that around and made 3 sales overall. So this video is going to be all about the changes I made to my funnel in order to get those first 3 sales, and then my plans for the future to make even more moving forwards. Okay, yeah, so at the end of my last video, I announced that I'd left a comment in this funnel Facebook group asking for advice, asking how I could fix my stagnant funnel and get those first few sales. I had 90 comments replied back to me, giving me advice. I basically collated those together to get like the overall patterns and the overall like themes of what I should be changing. And I also hired this funnel expert off Fiverr to give me some critique on my funnel and give me some suggestions from his specialist background. And after getting feedback from that Facebook group and that Fiverr specialist, I basically realized I had like one big problem with my funnel, which I'll jump into now and basically tell you through step by step what the problem was and how I fixed that. Okay, cool. So what we have here is a diagram of how my sales funnel was originally laid out. I had the opt-in page at the start where people would come along and pop their email address in. And that is this page here. So this is where people were getting sent to, and then they put their email address in here. That was the opt-in to get the training. So that's the first stage here. Second stage was I had a page where I had the training at the top of the page and my sales copy underneath it. So the promotion, what I was trying to sell underneath it. And the reason I had training on that page is because on the opt-in page, I was saying log in to get access to some free video training. So on the next page, they were being taken to a 40-minute video at the top of the page, and then my sales copy was underneath. And this is the sales copy that they were seeing underneath the video, so on that sales page. Training video, and then this copy here, so grab the list of the top products to promote on YouTube, talking through my promotion. So that was all on one page, my video and my sales copy. And if we jump back, once they'd hit that page, the training and promotion page, and they'd seen the training and they'd read about my promotion, they were getting sent to the order page to pay for my digital products. So here's that sales copy they were seeing on the second stage. They were getting a button like this to click to say, click here to go and buy the products. They were getting sent to my product page here where they could fill in their details and order their products. But with this model, this 3-step funnel, I just wasn't making any sales. And I was looking at the analytics at the back end of things, and I basically realized that people were dropping off in this middle step, this training and promotion page. So they were putting their email address in, going through to the next page where they had the training video at the top and the sales copy underneath, sort of encouraging them to buy the products. And people were basically getting confused. The overwhelming feedback I got from this Facebook discussion that I'd opened up asking people to critique my funnel, and the feedback from this guy here is people were getting sent through to that second page and not understanding they were just getting confused. There was too much going on. There was free training at the top, but then there was a product talking about more training underneath, and they didn't know what was the free stuff and what was the paid stuff. And also they were being asked to do too much things on one page. They were being asked to watch a video, and then they were also being asked to buy a product rather than just having one request on that web page. So after gathering all of that feedback, it's really good to get outside perspectives of where you're failing. Here are the changes I made to my funnel, which led to me getting a sale the next day, my first sale the next day after I made these changes, and then getting a sale every other day. So here is step number 2. So you can see it's pretty similar, the layout of my funnel, but there's one big change. So we still have the same opt-in page that you'll see here. Click here to put your email address in to get your free training. But the second stage, what I basically did is I decided to strip that 40-minute training video out of the second page, and all I focused that second page on doing is selling my product. So if we look at the second page now, you'll see that at the top I actually put your free training is now on its way to your inbox, but before you go, check out this very special offer. So this second page now is completely focused on selling my product. It's just a complete sales page, nothing else is on this page, and all this page's purpose is to get people to click this button here and go through to the order page. So what I did was I took the training out of that sales page and I made it an email instead. So the person was getting emailed a link to the training video, but the next page they were getting taken to on my ClickFunnels sales funnel was purely a sales page, nothing else. And then from that, they were encouraged to go to the order page. And basically what I found was with version 1, very few people were hitting the order page. So very few people were getting through to the end of my funnel where they see the page to enter your name and your credit card details. But with version number 2, so many more people were flowing through my funnel, the opt-in page, the sales page, the promotion, and then the order page. So many people were making it through to the end. So naturally, I was getting more chance of making a sale if people were getting to the actual page where they put their payment details in to buy the product. So I'm super happy that I took this feedback on board, I made the changes, and I'm starting to see results. 3 sales after making just some small tweaks to my funnel, $19 per order. I'm just really happy. I'm pretty much covering all of the advertising costs that are going into my Google Ads. Is being covered every time someone makes a purchase. Like, I'm not spending more than the $19 to get a single purchase. So I'm pretty much breaking even at the moment. That first sale I got was from someone in Nigeria of all places. And now I've also sold to Thailand and the United Kingdom. So those are my first 3 sales. So what does the future look like? Well, now that I've actually started making sales and I'm pretty much breaking even and covering my advertising costs with those sales, I'm super excited and I've got a lot of plans on building this funnel up further in the future. I'm going to be doing lots of hacks and tweaks to further increase the amount of people that are buying every time they come into my funnel. And I'm also going to be doing additions, like things to increase the average cart value. So rather than it being $19 per order, I'm going to mess around with my price points to try and get a higher price of sale, maybe 23, 24. I'm also going to be doing things like adding add-ons, upsells, downsells, so that the average order value actually goes up from $19. So I'll be making videos about all this stuff on the channel moving forwards. And I'm also probably going to be doing building like a ClickFunnels team. So what I'm thinking is, if people want to start doing ClickFunnels themselves and they purchase ClickFunnels through my affiliate link that you can find in the description to this video, I'm going to be doing some advanced training for people that are on my ClickFunnels team. So if you buy through the link on my description and then you send me the receipt basically showing me that you are a ClickFunnels user as well and you're starting to build your funnel while watching my channel and getting guidance from me, I'll probably do things like have exclusive live chats, maybe open up a separate email account so that people on my ClickFunnels team can email me anytime to get ClickFunnels advice and ask me any questions and ask me to review their funnel. So if you want to join my team, sign up for ClickFunnels using the link below and send me a receipt showing me that you are a ClickFunnels user and I'll join you on my team, and when all that stuff's ready, I'll invite you in to get that exclusive additional bonuses for ClickFunnels. But yeah, I'm just super excited. I've started doing extra things to my sales page. So I've been adding some testimonials in from just people on my channel, basically building a character reference, showing that I've got a reputation as an online mentor. I've done things like added a countdown timer just to add some urgency. So those little things, I'm going to be experimenting more and more and basically passing back that information to you on this channel and also to that team that I build, giving them further information as well. So make sure to subscribe to the channel for future ClickFunnels videos, basically sharing my experience, what works and what doesn't. Ring the notification bell as well so you get any notifications anytime I release a video. Any comments on my funnel, any feedback, I'll put the links to my funnel below so you can go in, rip it apart and basically give me some feedback on this video, because I really appreciate having that outside perspective, having the third party look at it and give me some outside insight into what they think of my funnel. Because when you're doing this yourself, you can get tunnel vision, you can get so wrapped up into these things, you can't see things with a fresh perspective. So if anyone wants to help me out and give me some feedback, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, just super excited. I wanted to share this good news with you all. And I'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.